Hello students, we are going to learn a topic and English grammar to grade 8. The topic of the lesson is question tags and short answers. Okay, first I want to show the topic of the lesson is question tags and short answers. Okay, va? So, what's the mean by question? An interrogative sentence make a question. Okay, so question tag is a common practice in conversation to make a statement and ask the listener to confirm it. Okay, helping verbs are used to make question tags. The subject of the question tag is always a pronoun as. So I want to tell about what's I mean by helping verbs. Okay, va? Then here also modal auxiliaries. Okay, va? These are also helping verbs. Okay, va? Am, is, or. Okay, va? Was, were. Then have, has. So this and all helping verbs. Okay. Now listen here. I want to tell about modal auxiliaries. What is the topic of the linking verbs? So modal auxiliaries. Okay, am, is, or. Okay, va? Am, is, or. These are also present tense. Okay, va? These are used in the present tense. Okay, va? Am singular present tense, is is singular present tense, or plural present tense. Okay, va? These auxiliaries are used in the present tense. Okay, then was and were. Okay, was and were past tense. Okay, was singular, were plural. Okay, these are used in the past tense. Okay, then have and has. Okay, have and has also present tense. Okay, these are used in the present tense. Okay, had, have, has and had. Okay, had also past tense. Okay, then do and does. Okay, do and does present tense. Do and does singular present tense. Okay, did past tense. Do present tense, did past tense. Okay, did past tense. Okay, then shall future present tense. Okay, should future tense. Should future past tense. Okay, then will also future tense, would also future tense, will future tense singular, would future tense plural. Okay children, these are also past tense. Would past tense, will present tense. Okay, then future present. Okay, then can present tense singular, could past tense. Okay, may present tense, might past tense. Okay, must present tense, might past tense, then need, dare. So these are also modal auxiliaries. Okay, then these are also helping verbs. Okay, then I want to tell about helping verbs. Okay, now listen here. I want to tell about modal verbs. Okay, can, could, may, might, ought to, shall, should, will, would, then need, dare. So these are also modal verb. Okay, so where we can use can express ability, request. Okay, then could past ability, possibility. Okay, then may permission or future possible. Then might necessity or obligation. Ought to what's right and correct. Shall offer or suggestion. Should, advice or suggestion. Will, willingness, suddenly, promise. Would, request, invitation. Need, necessity. Okay, dare to, courage and boldness. Okay va. So these are also used to past habits. Okay, then I want to tell about can. Can, where we can use can. It is used to express permission, ability. Okay va. Could is the past tense of can. Okay va. Note, could is more polite than can. May or might past tense of may. May or might expresses permission. Okay va. Possibility, might used in the past tense. Okay va. Must is used to express. Okay, must not, prohibition. Okay va. Then shall is used in the first person to express future time. Okay, will is used in the second and third person to express future time. Okay children. Then should is the past tense of shall. Okay, should is used to express duty, advice or instructions. Okay va. Would is the past tense of will. It is used to express polite request. Okay va. Past tense of shall or will in the indirect speech. Okay children. Then helping verbs are used to make question tags. The subject of the question tag is always a pronoun as. Okay va. So what are the helping verbs? Already I told you. Then he is working hard, isn't he? He is working hard, isn't he? Okay va. So helping verbs are used to make question tags. Okay, the subject of the question tag is always a pronoun has. So what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun or a noun phrase. Okay va. So I want to show that. So I, we, you, he, she, it and they, these are also pronoun. Okay, so now listen, these are also subject pronoun. Okay va. Then I want to tell about classify the pronoun. I, first person singular. We, first person plural. You, second person singular as well as plural. He, third person singular. She, third person singular. It, third person singular. They, third person plural. Okay children. So these are also pronoun. Okay, what they are saying, helping verbs are used to make question tags. Okay, these are also helping verbs. Helping verbs are used to make question tags. Okay, the subject of the question tag is always a pronoun as. Okay va. So from this sentence, he is working hard, isn't he? So in this sentence, he is a subject. Okay va. Subject pronoun. So what they are saying, the subject of a question tag is always a pronoun as. Okay va. So he is working hard, isn't he? Why they are asking isn't he? So we want to come for the grammar rule. So now listen here. A positive statement takes a negative tag. Okay va. So pattern, helping verb plus not plus subject. Okay va. A positive statement takes a negative tag. Okay va. Then second rule, a negative statement takes a positive tag. Okay va. So pattern, helping verb plus verb. Okay va. So these are also helping verbs are used to make question tags. The subject of a question tag is always a pronoun as. Okay, these are also subject pronoun. Then these are also classify the pronoun. So why I am showing this are all. So what is pronoun you have come to know. Okay, wow. Now next I want to say he is working hard, isn't he? Isn't is a short way of reading and writing. Okay, wa? Is not, we should not say is not. So isn't is a contraction, short way of reading. Okay, children, now listen here. He is working hard, isn't he? Isn't he? He is working hard. Working is a affirmative sentence. Okay, if not is there, negative sentence. So what they are saying, the subject of the question tag is always a pronoun as. So in this sentence, he is working hard is a affirmative. So a positive statement takes a negative tag. Okay, va? So these are also positive sentence. So we have to follow the grammar rule. A positive statement takes a negative tag. So isn't is a negative question. Okay, children, a positive statement takes a negative tag. Okay, ma? So what formula we are using? Pattern helping verbs plus not plus subject. Okay, ma? O is not here, that is short way of writing. Int, isn't. Okay, va? Helping verb plus n apostrophe t. Now O is not here, short way of writing. So helping verb plus n apostrophe t plus subject. Okay, va? So now listen here. He is working hard, isn't he? He is working hard, isn't he? The subject of the question tag is always a pronoun has. So at the last he is there. This is also pronoun. Isn't is a negative tag, question tag. Okay, children. Then Muthu has a raincoat. Hasn't he? Muthu has a raincoat. Okay, va? Muthu has a raincoat. Hasn't he? Okay, va? Muthu is a singular boy. If the subject is singular, the verb also we can use singular. Okay, va? So as present tense singular. So Muthu is a singular. So the subject is singular, the verb also singular. Okay, va? Muthu has a raincoat. Okay, va? He has a raincoat. So hasn't he? So Muthu has a raincoat is a statement. Okay, va? So the positive statement takes a negative tag. So that's why they are writing here hasn't he. Okay, va? So we can find out which one is verb from this sentence first of all. Then Muthu is a noun. Okay, proper noun, has auxiliary verb, helping verb or an attributive. Raincoat is a noun. Okay, va? So we have to find out which one is a subject from this sentence. Then only if you found verb from this sentence, you can write it here has. Then we have to follow the helping positive statement takes a negative tag. You have to write n apostrophe t. Hasn't he? He. Muthu is a he. So that's why they are writing here he. Helping verbs are used to make question tags. The subject of a question tag is always a pronoun has. So we should be write Muthu is a he. So that's why they are writing here he. Okay, children. Then the third one is Krishna can cook. Can't she? So here a positive statement takes a negative tag. These are also positive statement. Krishna can cook. Okay, va? From this sentence, Krishna is a noun, can is a helping verb. Okay, va? Cook. the action is done. What action is done from this sentence? Cook. Okay va? Krishna can cook. Okay va? So from this sentence, can is a helping verb. We should be write can, write it here. Then we should not write not, not. The short way of writing, we have to write can't. She. This is contraction. Contraction means short way of writing. Okay children. Then the next one is he could catch them. Couldn't he? He could catch them. Couldn't he? He is a subject pronoun third person singular. Could, past form of helping verb plural. So catch them. Them, that is also, what is this? They, them, their, theirs. Object pronoun. Okay va? Object pronoun. Okay va? So he could catch them. So why we have to use the plural helping verb? So could, we have to write it here. Then n apostrophe t. Okay, couldn't he? He could catch them. Okay, how can we make question tag? We have to write here could, not, not. Okay va? We should not say not. Couldn't he? The subject of the question tag is always a pronoun. So that's why he pronoun at the last they are writing here. Okay va? He could catch them. Couldn't he? Okay, do you understood how can you make a question tag? Then your sister dances well, doesn't she? Your sister dances well, doesn't she? Okay va? So your sister, your means what? So possessive adjective. Okay children, you, listen here, you, your, yours. Okay va? So your is a possessive adjective. Okay va? Your sister dances well. Okay va? Doesn't she? Why they are writing a doesn't she? If the third person singular is there, means we can use does. Okay va? So a positive statement takes a negative tag. Okay, your sister dances well is a positive statement. So we have to write it here, doesn't she? If the third person singular is here, we can use does. Okay children? Yes, your sister is a she. So that is feminine gender. Okay va? So your sister is a feminine gender. So sister is she. So they are writing here, doesn't she? Why doesn't she? They wrote it here. A positive statement takes a negative tag. Are you understood children? Okay. Then he came up to Tom. Didn't he? You have to find out first which one is verb from this sentence. Then only you have to make a question tag. Okay. He is a third person singular. Came, past form of verb. Okay va? Up, preposition. To, infinitive. Tom, noun. Okay va? He came up to Tom. He came up to Tom. Okay va? So came is a past form of verb. So if the verb is past tense na, we can use helping verb did. Okay children? So a positive statement takes a negative tag. So that's why they are writing here, didn't he? Don't say so, don't. Okay va? Didn't he? Okay va? Did not, we should not say did not. Didn't he is a correct. Okay. Then I want to show next one. In the sentence given above, the later part in italics is called a question tag. So what are the italics? Isn't he? Hasn't he? Can't she? Couldn't he? Doesn't she? Didn't he? So these are also uh, in italics is called a question tag. Are you clear? Okay. Then I am going to next one. Study the following sentences. Okay. He does not pray daily. Does he? So we have to use the grammar formulas. A negative statement takes a positive tag. Here a positive statement takes a negative tag only, we wrote it here. Okay. Here a negative statement takes a positive tag. We have to find out, is this positive or negative statement? Okay, these are also negative statement. So now we have to change negative into positive question. Okay children, are you clear? He does not pray daily. He does not pray daily. This sentence is in negative statement. So he, if third person singular means we have to use DOES, does. Okay children. So he does not pray daily. Does he? Does he is here what kinds of question? Positive tag. Are you clear? Positive question. So you do not take tea. You do not take tea is a negative statement. So we have to, if the sentence is in negative statement, we have to change negative into positive. So how we can use? You do not take tea. You do not take tea. This is a negative statement. So now we have to change negative into positive. Okay, what? Do you? Do you? Then she can't reply. Can she? This question is in negative. So which one is verb in this sentence? She is a third person singular. Can't modal auxiliary helping verb. So reply. Okay, ma? She can't reply. So from this sentence, can't is a verb. Okay, ma? Negative. Okay, so we should not write can't, write it here. Okay, can only write. So now listen here. Can she? She can't reply. Can she? Does she? Do you? Can she? These are also positive question tag. Okay, he hasn't got 5 rupees. Has he? He hasn't got 5 rupees. Has he? This sentence is in negative statement. So we have to negative into positive question tag. Okay. So as he hasn't got 5 rupees. Has he? It is not a good camera. Is it? So this question is, this sentence is in positive statement. Okay, wow. Sorry, negative statement. So we have to negative into positive. Okay, wow. So how we are asking question? It is not a good camera, is it? Okay children. So in the above sentence, the question tags are positive. Okay, wow. Rule: a negative statement takes a positive tag. Pattern: helping verb plus subject. Are you clear children? So at the last, note the subject of the question tag is never a noun. It is always a pronoun. You keep that in your mind children. Then I am going to wind up this class. So I want to show this book exercise. You practice well at home children. Rewrite the following sentences adding question tag. He is a good musician. So this is what kinds of statement? Are they negative or affirmative? Okay, va? You find out and write the answer here. Okay children, I hope you have understood it nicely. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. All the best.